Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to unblock protected content in Google Chrome on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. To unblock protected content in Google Chrome, first you can open Chrome browser on your device. After that, here you can click on three dots at the top right corner, and then please select Settings here. After that, scroll down, and then press Site Settings option. And then here you can scroll down and then select protected content. Okay, and then to unblock protected content, you can activate the first option here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to unblock protected content in Google Chrome on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.